NCERT Physics, Class 11th, 4th chapter, which is Motion in a Plane, question number 4.14. In a harbor, wind is flowing at a speed of 72 km per hour, and the flag on mast of boat is anchored in the harbor, flutter along the direction northeast. If the boat start moving at a speed of 51 km per hour to the north, what is the direction of flag on the mast of boat? So initially the boat is at rest and direction of flag is given as northeast. So when boat is at rest, the flag will flutter in direction of wind. So from this statement, we can find out the direction of wind, which is in northeast, making an angle of 45 degree with east. This is velocity of wind, because when the boat is at rest, the flag will flutter in direction of wind. Now, when the boat start to move at a velocity of 51 kilometer per hour to north, then the direction of flag would be different, because as we know, the flag will flutter in direction of velocity of wind with respect to boat. So this is velocity of boat. So as we all know, flag will flutter in direction of flutters in direction of velocity of wind with respect to बोट. बोट के रेस्पेक्ट में जो विंड की वेलोसिटी है उस डायरेक्शन में फ्लैग क्या करेगा, फ्लटर करेगा. सो इन दिस वी हैव टू फाइंड वेलोसिटी ऑफ विंड विद रिस्पेक्ट टू बोट. सो वेलोसिटी ऑफ विंड विद रिस्पेक्ट टू बोट कैन बी रिटन एज वेलोसिटी ऑफ विंड माइनस वेलोसिटी ऑफ बोट. सो इट इज वेक्टर एडिशन ऑफ VW and minus VW. So VW is in this direction and VB is in upward direction, so minus of VB would be toward south. So this is minus of VB. And the resultant, let's say this is VBW, and this VBW is making an angle of theta with VW. Let's say this makes an angle of theta with VW. This is your resultant VBW. So by using parallelogram law, we can find the value of theta as tan theta is equal to VB. This is 45 and this is 90. So this complete angles becomes 135. So VB sine 135 divided by VW plus VB cos 135. Putting the value of VB, which is equal to 51 and VW is equal to 72 km per hour, we get the value of tan theta as tan theta is equal to 51 into sine 135 is 1 by root 2 divided by 72 plus 51 into minus of 1 by root 2. On solving this, we have tan theta is equal to 1.003. So we can write that tan theta is almost equal to 1. This implies theta is equal to 45 degree. And if theta comes out to be 45 degree, we can say that velocity of boat with respect to wind, this would be velocity of wind with respect to boat. Change this would be velocity, this direction would be velocity of wind with respect to boat. So from this we can say that velocity of wind with respect to boat is at an angle theta, that is 45 degree with VW. So this would be in east direction. So velocity of wind with respect to boat is in east direction. Velocity of wind with respect to boat is in east direction. So we can say that flag will flutter in east direction.